Hey guys, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a 2023 Kawasaki KX85. KX being the race bike. Kawasaki is race proven. They have done a great job with all of their bikes and they continue to improve them. Brand new bike that we just got in. What can you do with this? Obviously this is for those who are in racing or want a two-stroke bike. Like I said, two-stroke. This isn't a four-stroke bike. Obviously a lot of you had two-strokes know they're a lot more power than a four-stroke, just because of that power band in them. But they do have some adjustability in your front suspension. You do have that ability to change those shocks a little bit. Kickstart bike does not have electric start because it is a two-stroke race bike, but just got this in. So if you're looking for the KX85, come down to Carnes Equipment in Clearfield to check it out. You can also call us at 814-324-5251, and you can find it on our website at carnesequipment.com.